You ever walk into someone's house and it just smells amazing? Yeah, I wanted that, but without all the fake chemical stuff. So I started using this little trick. It's called a simmer pot. It's super simple. I slice up some lemon, toss in herbs like rosemary or mint, a dash of vanilla, and let it simmer. My whole place smells warm, fresh, and clean in like 5 minutes. No sprays, no plugins. I also make this DIY spray. Just water, witch hazel, and a few drops of essential oil. I use lavender or citrus. Super easy. And these baking soda jars? Game changer. Just essential oils and baking soda in a jar with holes in the lid. I hide them around the house. Now my home smells so good. People always ask me what I'm using. I tell them, it's not a product. It's a vibe. Everything I used is super easy to find. I linked my go-to products below. Smells like a spa, looks like a vibe.